What's the meaning of Black Monday? Black Monday. Black Monday.
Black Monday. Black Monday. Black Monday refers to a day when the stock market experiences a significant drop in value, typically over 10% in a single day. The term first gained prominence after the stock market crash on October 19, 1987, where the Dow Jones Industrial Average fell by 22.6%. The event marked the largest one-day percentage decline in the history of the stock market and caused widespread panic among investors. Since then, the term Black Monday has been used to describe other major market crashes, including the global financial crisis of 2008. These events serve as a reminder that the stock market can be volatile, and it's important for investors to have a long-term perspective.